In the last few videos I've been showing you how AI Oracle works, and I thought I'd do you another one showing you another part of AI Oracle, and I thought the best way to do this is actually give you an entire funnel. So this is an entire funnel that you can use, and you'll want to watch this full video. I'm not going to make it really long, but the reason that you'll want to watch it is I'm also going to show you exactly how to get traffic really quickly to this funnel so you can make sales. So what I decided to do was pick an affiliate product from a really well-known affiliate marketplace, ClickBank, and I've actually picked one of the top ClickBank products, so you already know that there's people searching for it and that it will sell well. Underneath this video you will find a link to a file with everything you need, so I've put everything from this video in that file, and you'll also find a link to AI Oracle if you want to get AI Oracle and use it for pretty much everything you need. In the last few videos I've shown you how to create an affiliate site and everything you need, keywords, content, with AI Oracle. It will also find traffic for you. It also builds funnels, as we're talking about here, and it will also do niche research for you. I've already shown that. So do check it out, and it will allow you to do all this stuff super easy. They are custom GPTs that have been created specific for producing real results. Instead of just giving you AI content, it will actually give you real results. I'll show you now. Let's have a look at this funnel. So here we go. Here's Java Burn. What is it? It's a dietary supplement that helps people lose weight. Check this out. There's the sales page. It's not even a sales page that much. It's more, there's a little sales page, but it's more selling these bottles of Java Burn for weight loss. Really popular product. And let's have a look at the funnel that I've created for you. Okay, so the reason this is different rather than just asking AI to build a funnel is it's been set up to actually create a funnel that will sell based on real results and based on real internet marketing, rather than just telling AI to create you a funnel. The first thing it does is give you a summary, the offer, the recommended funnel type. I've asked it to create the funnel and it's saying, okay, recommended, a simple opt-in mini course funnel with a soft bridge page and email driven conversion path. It gives the demographics of the audience. It gives you your core hook that you're going to sell everything from. Your metabolism may not be broken, your morning routine may be working against you. It gives you a lead magnet as well, and then it gives you a funnel flow of where to get traffic. I'll talk about that in a sec because I've actually got more for you on that, on the traffic. But you can see here, squeeze page, and it's actually built the squeeze page, the sub headline, the hero bullets, the opt-in. It's got the call to action button. It's got how to build curiosity. It's got the thank you page, so when they opt in to get their free guide, and email flow. You've got the main copy of the thank you page, and you could also put a link to the affiliate product on the thank you page as well. Here's your mini course all done for you, and the difference with this is it's not just crap emails, it's actually giving real information, real help before any selling's done. So you've got email 1, you've got email 2 that gives real help, and then you've got email 3 which talks about Java Burn and is sort of like a soft pitch email. Then you've got subject lines and preview text done for you. Then you've got call to action buttons as well. Then it's talking about traffic. I'm going to talk about that in a sec, but this has actually said, okay, Pinterest, Facebook ads, YouTube shorts, native ads, SEO, and then conversion optimization. It helps you pick out, okay, what's the colors, best CTAs to use, best emotional triggers, best curiosity angles, mobile optimization tips, compliance safe language, and then it's giving you, which is specific to AI Oracle, a funnel score, 9 out of 10, 8.5 out of 10, traffic compatibility, and then it's giving you its verdict and a launch plan. So I've put this all in a file for you. You'll find it in the description. But before you go, where does the traffic come from? Check this out. So what I did to build the traffic plan that you've got access to as well in that file is actually use AI Oracle. And the difference with this, when it actually tells you where to get traffic, is it's programmed to show you where people are. What I mean by that is, instead of you guessing where people will be online, instead of you guessing with pay-per-click or Facebook ads, it actually tells you the quickest traffic source to go to where people will be looking for this product. Maybe not this product specifically, but seeing as it's weight loss, it will tell you the quickest way to get in front of those people and do it for you as well. So check this out. It tells you the traffic opportunity summary, the demographic again, and then it's saying traffic source, Reddit, weight loss communities. Why it fits, buyer intent strength is high, and then it's got target subreddits like these, and it will actually find more for you if you wanted more as well. And then the cool thing is, so with Reddit, I've also included perfect prompts for AI content creation. Create a Reddit style personal story post for someone struggling with stubborn weight loss. So it will help you to promote without spamming and so on, to actually provide real help and engage with these communities. Then it's got another traffic source here, YouTube Shorts and weight loss comment interception. And again, it will give you the perfect prompt: create 10 YouTube short scripts targeting adults over 40 struggling with stubborn belly fat. So you can see it's doing that for you. And then Facebook weight loss groups, same thing again there. It tells you a bit about it. Ease of entry is easy, and then it will write the posts for you. It's giving you the prompt to do that. Then Pinterest weight loss pins, and it will give you create 20 Pinterest pin headline ideas targeting anyone over 40 interested in losing weight. Quora, again, Quora is really good, like an updated Yahoo Answers for those of you that remember that, and it's also giving you the prompt to write a detailed Quora answer. And you could also do that specific on Quora and get it to write the answers for you when you're on there. Then you've got optional paid traffic idea, the quickest way, the cheapest way there, Taboola or MGID, and then traffic sources to avoid, and then it's giving final verdict, fastest traffic group, Quora, and again, what I would say from that is Reddit, Facebook groups and Quora would be brilliant to start. And then it's giving you the 30-day traffic plan. Week 1, what to do, week 2, week 3, week 4, and then you'll start getting traffic through. So what I've done is I've put this all in a file for you, so you've got the entire funnel, you've got the entire traffic plan, and if you wanted to go further with this, you could use it as is, but if you wanted to go further, pick up AI Oracle and it will expand on any of these points. So if you wanted it to map out a more detailed traffic plan, if you wanted it to help you find more Reddit groups and actually tell you what to put, it will help you all of that. So do check out AI Oracle. It's a complete suite of GPTs that does everything you need. So I'll put the link below for that as well. Thanks for watching. Do give us a like, do give us a share, do give us a thumbs up. I'd really, really appreciate it. And I will speak to you soon. Cheers, guys.